Hi everyone. Right, I'm just sharing with you the kits that have come in. I do have these kits made up. I don't have the time to do them, so we do have a lady that does these kits for us, and they are gorgeous. I'm just letting you know these are back in stock, which are the doily dresses. I mean, they've almost sold out immediately, so if you do like anything like that, I'll show you one of them. I mean, they're both beautiful. We had 4 different colours in. And they're for card toppers and that. Right, they're gorgeous. So, they're going back on. Put those to one side. We've got this new bow. It's beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? Just gorgeous. We've got the new flowers. Just the small ones. And then, I'm not showing the prices because they're not the prices that's on the shop. See? Aren't they gorgeous? And this one, beautiful cerise coloured one. Oops. Quite a firm flower. The applique, which these will be sold as a pair. That one. And then that one. We have lots, for people who don't know, we have lots and lots of these appliques. They're all extremely good prices. They're all hand cut, so I have to say that. I'm going to go through these first, because these are just stunning. You get the same amount in each, it's just some of the bags were bigger than others. The pink one is just beautiful. Look at the trims in that you're getting in there. And the flowers and the little bag of bling and handmade flowers and things like that. These are not with the crocheted circles, not those. And this one, you're getting a handmade stick pin. I don't know if that one's got one in, I didn't see one. But the purple one is just beautiful. Handmade flower, very similar to this one. All the trimmings and ribbons, all your matching bling, your lace. And a handmade flower with a bling centre. The red one. Got your beaded string, your flowers, different flowers, little hearts, bag of bling. It's got cameo, butterfly, whatever in there, and different trimming. The cream one, I've had the cream ones made up because I know a lot of people love cream. Now you're getting various flowers, stick pins, ribbon, laces, bling, pearl and fabric behind. And then the mint green one again. Just a beautiful, beautiful colour. I mean, you've got little diamantes and buttons and various things in these. Look at this. Leaves. Another little flower there, flower there. Handmade stick pin. Another pin. Sorry, a bow. Pearl string. They're just gorgeous, and that we call them our tatty shabbiness kits. Now the 2 newest ones I've got here, which I'm going to share with you. I love all of them. I just think they're fantastic. The card toppers. These are the red ones. Everything's handmade. The flowers are handmade. Everything's cut. Look, even the done with paper. All your card toppers, is loads in there. I think that's a stick pin as well, not sure. Lots and lots of goodies in them. That's one there, and then this one here. Just filled with goodies. Crochet things, you've got bits underneath. So the card topper, that's 2 different red ones, and they will go on. They'll be the 2 different ones. We'll just name them 1 and 2, and then you can pick which one you want. So, I'm going to pop these on the shop. Grab them while you can. These have been selling out, I have to say. They are stunning. And we always try and bring the best. What more can I say? Thank you to our lady that makes them up. And thank you to everybody who buys them. Bye bye for now.